In our previous sessions, we are trying to identify what is the version ID and what would be, how can we update to next version ID. For example, version ID was one for patient Roger Federer, but we've changed the phone number to 111. It got updated to version 3. So, if, for example, if I change something like some other random number, again the patient resource will get updated and the version ID changes to 4. But what if people want the oldest version because someone updated the phone number wrong, but they don't know the number and other details? They want it back. But what? How can we get it? Wouldn't Happy Fire server shows the other versions too? Yes, it will show. That's what the trick is. You can go to get function. For example, if you go to our OneNote, we have been creating multiple versions for Roger. For example, if we go to this put over here, you can see the latest version is 4. So I will update 4 over here. Perfect. And can we get all the versions of this particular Roger Federer patient? Yes, absolutely. We can get all the versions. So what we'll do over here, we'll go to Insomnia. I'll just copy the ID number for our understanding. Go to get. I'll paste the ID over here. When I paste the ID and when I send the request, only I will get the latest version. But what if I want to get all the versions? It's very simple. You can go ahead and give an underscore. Okay, not like that. Backslash underscore and history. That's it. You should get it, to my knowledge. Perfect. You remember when I said we get the multiple resources, we get the name resource type as bundle. So here we have multiple resources and the total number of resources 4. As we know, there were like 4 versions as per our count. We got 4 number of resources, and you can see over here the version 1 would be something like this with the phone number and details. This is the version 4, the latest version which we have updated, and I'm going to copy this to OneNote for our understanding. That's good. That's perfect. Yes. Yeah, you can see over here it might be a little bit confusing, but it's very simple. This is the patient resource ID, and this would be total number of resource available, and you can see Roger Federer and all the details over here. Again, if you scroll down, you will get another version. You can see it's version ID 3. Again, it would be Roger Federer and the other number which you updated. If you scroll down again, that's it. It would be another version, version ID 2, and that's it, another different number. And if we scroll down back, you will get the latest, means the last one, which means the first one, which was there. The phone number and the version ID would be 1 for this. So, yep, you can pause the video and see it because it might be confusing for you if I scroll it down, or else you can use the same commands and get the same versions and play it as much as possible. I'm going to paste this all commands for our understanding, and even I'll be giving that in the YouTube description. For example, for this, what I'll do, I'll give something like this: version ID. So even if you're watching this video, you have all the previous video commands too, so you can come and play around, not an issue at all. And even I'll be giving all the MRN IDs of this patient, so that would be very easy to practice. So if I'm saying any particular topic, I want to go as much as possible deep into it. So as a bonus point, I want to show you something else. So it would be very easy. For what if some person asks, for example, if there are like 100 versions to a particular patient, but what if a person asks or your client asks, I want the 36th version of the patient? Would you be downloading the complete bundle and go search all 100 versions, and would you be copy pasting only the 36th version? That would be very difficult, right? So what you can do, you can give another slash over here. For example, this patient has 4 versions. I'm going to press only 3. So here, if we go to our OneNote, the version ID is 2 over here. I want the phone number with all zeros over here. So I want the version ID 2. So what I'll do, I'll give something like 2 over here. That's it. When I send it, automatically the version ID 2 pops up. For example, if I want the last version, the 4, When I click, automatically the version ID 4 pops up and the number changes too. That's it. It is very, very simple and easy to catch back to different versions without any problems. And I'm going to give the same in the YouTube description. You can even track the number of versions which you want to do. Thank you. Have a great day.